Imagine standing in the middle of the world's largest hot desert. No rivers, no forests, no life. But beneath your feet lies one of the greatest secrets in human history. A hidden world buried for thousands of years. Ancient cities, lost rivers, massive underground lakes, and evidence that this endless desert was once one of the greenest places on Earth. Today, scientists are uncovering discoveries so extraordinary that they are rewriting everything we thought we knew about the Sahara. This is the incredible story hidden beneath the sand. For centuries, explorers believed the Sahara was simply an endless ocean of sand. But modern technology has revealed something astonishing. Hidden beneath layers of desert sediment are the remains of forgotten civilizations and landscapes that vanished thousands of years ago. Every grain of sand hides another piece of Earth's forgotten history. The Sahara isn't empty. It's one of the world's greatest archaeological treasure chests. The greatest discoveries didn't begin with shovels. They began in space. Using advanced satellite radar technology, scientists have learned to see beneath the Sahara's surface. These powerful instruments can penetrate dry sand, revealing invisible landscapes hidden for thousands of years. What appeared to be empty desert suddenly revealed enormous river valleys, ancient lakes, and forgotten pathways stretching across North Africa. The desert was beginning to reveal its true face. What scientists discovered changed everything. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara wasn't a desert at all. It was covered with rivers, enormous lakes, fertile grasslands, and dense forests. Elephants wandered freely. Giraffes grazed across open plains. Hippos swam through freshwater lakes. Early humans built thriving communities surrounded by abundant wildlife. This lost paradise is now known as the Green Sahara, and its existence is supported by overwhelming scientific evidence. Imagine standing here 10,000 years ago. Instead of endless silence, you would hear birds singing in the trees, water flowing through rivers, animals moving across vast green plains, families fishing beside lakes, children playing near fertile fields. It was a world filled with life. But nature was preparing one of the greatest transformations in Earth's history. A change that would erase this paradise forever. For thousands of years, the Green Sahara flourished. Its rivers flowed without interruption. Rain clouds arrived season after season, feeding forests, lakes, and countless forms of life. But Earth's climate is never permanent. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, the planet's orbit and axial tilt began to change. These natural cycles altered the strength of the African monsoon, the life-giving weather system that sustained the region. As the rains weakened, rivers shrank, lakes receded, grasslands turned brown. The transformation had begun. Century after century, the dry season lasted longer. Rainfall became rare. Powerful winds carried dust across the land, burying fertile soil beneath growing dunes. Animals migrated in search of water. Entire human communities were forced to abandon their homes. What had once been a thriving paradise slowly became the vast Sahara Desert we know today. Nature had rewritten the landscape. Yet, beneath the desert, the water never completely disappeared. Hidden hundreds of meters below the surface lies one of Earth's greatest natural treasures, the Nubian Sandstone Aquifer system. Containing fossil water that fell as rain tens of thousands of years ago, this immense underground reservoir stretches beneath Egypt, Libya, Chad, and Sudan. Scientists often describe it as an underground sea, one of the largest freshwater reserves ever discovered. It is a reminder that the Sahara still carries the memory of its green past. Water made civilization possible. One of the most remarkable societies to master the desert was the mysterious Garamantes. Living deep within the Sahara, they engineered hundreds of underground irrigation tunnels known as fogaras. These hidden channels transported precious groundwater across vast distances, allowing farms and cities to flourish where survival seemed impossible. Long before modern engineering, they transformed one of the harshest environments on Earth into a place of opportunity. Their ingenuity continues to astonish archaeologists today. Even today, the Sahara refuses to reveal all of its secrets. Every powerful sandstorm changes the landscape. Ancient walls emerge from beneath the dunes, only to disappear again months later. New satellite surveys continue to identify hidden structures, forgotten caravan routes, and possible settlements waiting to be explored. The Sahara is not a lifeless wasteland. It is one of the world's largest open-air museums, where every shifting grain of sand may conceal another lost chapter of human history. One of the Sahara's greatest mysteries isn't hidden beneath the sand. It's lying in plain sight. Deep within Egypt's western desert is a place called the Valley of the Whales. Here, scientists have uncovered hundreds of fossilized whale skeletons, some over 40 million years old. It's almost impossible to imagine. Where endless dunes now stretch to the horizon, a vast tropical sea once existed. These fossils provide undeniable evidence that the Sahara has transformed dramatically over millions of years, preserving one of the most extraordinary chapters in Earth's history. Across the heart of the Sahara, towering rock formations preserve another incredible secret. Ancient people carved thousands of images into stone. They depicted cattle, giraffes, elephants, hunters, and even people swimming. These are not works of imagination. They are visual records of a world that truly existed. Each carving is a message from people who lived here thousands of years before the desert consumed their homeland. Every discovery beneath the Sahara forces scientists to ask new questions. How advanced were these forgotten societies? How many civilizations disappeared without leaving written records? The evidence continues to grow. With every excavation, archaeologists uncover new clues that challenge long-held assumptions about humanity's earliest civilizations. History, it seems, is still being written. But the Sahara never stands still. Every year, powerful sandstorms reshape the landscape. One storm may expose an ancient temple. The next may bury it forever. Archaeologists are racing against time, using satellites, drones, and ground surveys to document discoveries before nature hides them once again. The desert gives up its secrets only for a moment. Then, it takes them back. The Sahara is far more than a desert. It is a living archive of Earth's changing climate. Its buried rivers reveal how landscapes evolve. Its fossils reveal oceans that vanished millions of years ago. Its ancient cities remind us that even the greatest civilizations are vulnerable to environmental change. Every layer of sand tells a story. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding not only the Sahara's past, but humanity's future. Because beneath these endless dunes, history is still waiting to be found. The Sahara's story isn't only about the past, it may also shape our future. Beneath the desert lies one of the world's greatest reserves of fossil groundwater, a resource that could support millions of people if managed carefully. Scientists continue to study these hidden aquifers, not only to understand ancient climates, but also to help address modern challenges, such as water scarcity and sustainable development. The same desert that once nurtured life may still hold resources capable of supporting it again. The Green Sahara reminds us that Earth's climate has changed dramatically throughout history. Natural climate cycles transformed fertile landscapes into desert over thousands of years. By studying these ancient changes, researchers gain valuable insight into how environments respond over long periods, and how societies adapt when water, weather, and ecosystems shift. The Sahara is not just a record of the past. It is a classroom for the future. Despite decades of exploration, much of the Sahara remains unmapped beneath its shifting sands. New technologies, including satellite imaging, drones, and ground-penetrating radar, continue to reveal hidden structures and ancient landscapes. Researchers believe many discoveries still await beneath the dunes. Each expedition adds another piece to the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding one of Earth's most remarkable environments. Every grain of sand carries a fragment of Earth's story. Ancient rivers, vanished lakes, forgotten civilizations, fossil whales, rock art left behind by people who witnessed a landscape almost impossible to imagine today. The Sahara is more than a desert. It is one of the greatest natural archives on our planet, a place where science continues to uncover remarkable evidence of Earth's changing history. The Sahara may appear silent, but beneath its sands lies a story that continues to reshape our understanding of Earth. Every excavation, every fossil, and every hidden river reminds us that landscapes are never truly permanent. What seems lifeless today may once have flourished with water, wildlife, and human civilization. And somewhere beneath those endless dunes, another discovery may already be waiting. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more stories hidden beneath history. Because the greatest secrets of our planet are often the ones we have yet to uncover.